I'm sorry for the blurriness. I'm sorry for that last video. But I'm back, and I'm going to show you the pizza. Here we go. I'm on my laptop because my phone battery just kind of went kaplunk on us. But so you guys can kind of see, this is what it looks like. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Let me turn around in a different kind of light here. Or maybe you can't see it at all. Either way, this is what it looks like, people. Sebian pizza. Don't worry, this is not the last you're gonna see of this pizza because it's really, really good, and I really like how it came out. My laptop camera is a bit blurry, people. I'm so sorry about this, but kind of come back and let you guys know I didn't lose you. My phone just went dead, but this is the pizza. It's all done. Don't worry. I'm going to get a photo for you guys so you can really see it. And I'm going to make another one too. Okay, I love y'all. Bye.